Welcome to Giridhar Pai Associates Guide to Bedbug Management using ChinChex amorphous silicon dioxide dust. Today we demonstrate the non-toxic targeted application of ChinChex using a brush for long-lasting bedbug protection. Begin by removing all the bed sheets and washing them thoroughly to eliminate active bed bugs. Using a brush, apply ChinChex along the edges of the mattress, focusing on high-risk harbourage areas such as seams, folds and crevices. After applying ChinChex, replace the mattress with clean linen to prevent direct skin contact of its user with the applied product. Never apply ChinChex directly to pillows. Next, focus on the bed frame. Brush ChinChex onto the frame's legs, drawers and headboard, leaving a microfine, nearly invisible layer. Ensure every screw hole, crack and crevice is addressed. Maintain this barrier during routine cleaning to prevent future bedbug reinfestation. For upholstered furniture, apply ChinChex along the bottom and lower edges of sofa cushions, avoiding areas where users sit directly. Brush the seams, sides, back structure, legs and the perimeter of the covering fabric. Extend protection to structural perimeters. Use a smooth painting motion to apply ChinChex along floor edges and wall gaps. Create a uniform 2-inch wide band along wall corners and around the perimeter of electrical sockets. Do not apply ChinChex inside electrical sockets. Lastly, complete your inspection by addressing external room corners, furniture legs, door frames and drawer sliding tracks as needed. Proactive monitoring and non-toxic prevention provide complete peace of mind.